All right, so we got the body man out here today. Dad's getting ready to head out there to the body shop, looking over everything in here that we're going to have to be taken care of. And I think the first thing we both agree on is the hood. The paint has clearly seen better days, kind of like the sunburnt Silverado that you hear in, I think, that song. So we're going to have to sand and paint the hood. It shouldn't be too difficult. You're seeing, obviously, I think we're going to go ahead and do the factory plastic flares. We like to do those on these trucks. I think they look good. And this truck clearly, you know, where that chrome one was, is taking the paint off, and it just gives it a better, beefier stance to me. Let's see.
Yeah, I saw that too.
So I'm almost wondering, like, this truck, it's going to need quite a bit of paint.
From the line down, I think, on the door.
And then this is clear coat peeling away.
Right down the whole door.
So we might just go ahead and take these off. Because, yeah, it doesn't look like it's been painted. So, as far as the bedside goes, obviously we'll repair this. Maybe do some work on the rails. I also like the factory plastic caps to go in here, so we might go that route.
Yeah, I like that.
You know, obviously it prevents wear like this and scratches and things.
Yes, still no good happening.
Yep. So, all in all, this side, we'll repair this, throw some factory GM plastic flares on it, and probably going to paint this door, that fender. We might go ahead and paint the whole side.
Yeah.
We'll have to see what the other side looks like. And we've already kind of talked about the roof, but we're going to have to fill these holes in and repaint the roof. Maybe put a visor on there. I don't know. We haven't done one of those on the builds yet, but I mean, it could fit, you know, it could, depending on the vibe you're going for. So we'll kind of weigh the options. Again, we're putting these things together to be functional, reliable, and look good doing it. We're not making them brand new. This is not a $100,000 SEMA build. It's supposed to be functional, a working man's truck that you can also be proud of when you're in the car pickup line. Now on this side of Deb, we definitely got some body work to do. We're going to zoom in here. I'll show you guys in a minute, but this door has quite the dent. And you know, it's like a crease that goes all the way down, and then obviously to me somebody has taken the emblem off and just done a crappy job. At least that's what it looks like to me. I mean, banged up here, we've got a bump in the door there. I think that'll probably pop out.
Yeah.
This fender is probably the best panel on the truck. I see a little bit of sunburn here on the top side, and of course, you know, that wear where that flare was. There's some what looks to be like spray paint down here, right here. Grab the camera and bring it back here. Yeah, so got a little damage there, probably none of that out, but got a dent right here. This is creased, spray painted, creased and spray painted all the way back to this side. And this was the bedside that didn't seem to have really any rust in it because it's mangled up. It's been yanked right here somehow.
Wherever they dragged down the side, they caught right there.
Yeah. Got a crease there. It's probably from a trailer.
Yep.
A lawn and garden trailer. We've got a new handle here for this. Dylan actually forgot to bring that down with him, but he's got it up in his shop, so he's going to bring it down, and we'll get Wes to get that in there for us. But other than these two little bruises, and of course, we're going to put a brand new bumper on it. I hate doing the rear bumpers. You guys have seen the episode of the front bumpers. The front bumpers on these trucks, super simple.
Yep.
The rear bumpers, they're kind of a pain in the butt.
They definitely are.
And of course this, probably need to do a little bit of bonding to it because it's a good piece. It's not too terribly bad. I think with some heat right here, we can make this look nice and shoot it with some black and then just probably repair that, bond it on. But there you have it. I did, you saw the crease in the bed over here. Yeah. That whole bedside is, you know, feeling pretty rough. So there you have it. Deb's going to go to the body shop, and when she comes back from that, you'll want to see that episode because she's going to look good.